time is coming when all the dead will hear his voice and come out of their graves. Those who have done good will rise, and my judgment is right, because I am not trying to do what I want, but only what he who sent me wants. If I testify on my own on my behalf, and I know that what he says about me is, which is even greater than the witness that John gave, what I...
Milagroso Señor, y llenas el lugar de tu presencia.
But I know what kind of people you are. Put your hope as the very one who will accuse you.
A los que estamos aquí, creo en ti, Jesús, y en lo que harás en mí. Y creo en ti, Jesús, y en lo que harás. A ti mis manos, maravilloso Jesús, milagroso Señor, llenas